In this short video, I'm going to go through Tracking Scripts Manager. This is a plugin that we developed some years ago to help manage tracking scripts on the websites that we build and host and manage, and we made it available through the repository so that you could take advantage of its capabilities as well. Broadly, what it does is allow you to add or remove or schedule tracking scripts. They can be located in the header, in the footer, or below the body tag, and it's simple, easy to use plugin. So what do you need to do it? Well, first of all, you need to install the plugin. So if you go to the WordPress repository and do a search for Tracking Scripts Manager, you'll be able to find the plugin. Or you need to update it. The current version is 2.0.7. This has the new feature of the scheduling that's been included, and I'll talk about that in a minute or two. So once it's installed, you will find Tracking Scripts Manager over in the left-hand column. And if you click into that, it will give you the list of tracking scripts that you have on the site currently. For example, I've got a LinkedIn tracking script. We've got the Facebook verified domain. We've got FAQ Schema Markup that's available, and it's still in draft. I'm going to use that to demonstrate how this could work. Facebook Pixel and Google Analytics. So if we go into Google Analytics, and this is a very common use case, you'll see that we've got the title, Google Analytics. That's just to help you keep organized. It'd make this field a little bit bigger. You can see the actual script that we've pasted in there, and we've identified the location as the header. You can see we have the choice of after the body tag or in the footer. This script usually goes in the header. And then if we choose, it can be placed on a very specific page or post. For example, a conversion pixel. You might want to place on a very specific landing page or thank you page. And if we go back to the list of tracking scripts, I will show you the Schema Markup, and as an example of something that could be placed on a specific page. There's the title. There's the Schema Markup itself that was generated by one of the online tools. It's being placed in the header, and if you look down here, you can see we can put in first and find a post that we want to thing. In this case, it's the post we wrote about creating content that will rank, and then you would publish this, and that piece of markup would appear in the header of only that blog post. Now, if we go back to want to create a new post, that can be done here, add new, or obviously up at the top as well, add new. If we click on that, it will launch the editing screen for a new script to be added. This is where you can place your title. This is where you would paste this code that you want to add. This is where you would determine the location. And then if you want it done on a specific page, that would happen here. Then over here on the right, you can see we have the option to set an expiration for a script. This is very handy if you've got a specific script, that a marketing script or an advertising script that has a specific, when the campaign's over, you want it to expire. You don't have to remember to do that. You can set that here. The default is never. If you want, you can also have it in 7 days or weeks or months or years, or whatever you want when you want the script to expire. So that's Tracking Scripts Manager. Hopefully you find it useful. You can contact us either through innately.com or red8interactive.com, and we'd be happy to respond to any questions you might have or feature requests that you think would improve Tracking Scripts Manager.